Hello friends, today we study the active site. Active site of enzyme is the region that binds the substrate. It also contains the residues that directly participate in the making and breaking of bonds. These residues are called catalytic groups and forms catalytic site. The multiple non-covalent interactions between the enzyme and substrate at the active site promote the formation of transition state of substrate. Active site is the 3D cleft formed by R groups of amino acids that come from different parts of the amino acid sequence. The active site takes up relatively small part of total volume of enzyme. Nearly all enzymes are made up of more than 100 amino acid residues, but only few of them participate in the formation of active site. The extra amino acid serve as scaffold to create 3D active site from amino acid that are far apart in the primary structure. Active sites are clefts or crevices in all enzymes of known structure. Substrate molecules are bound to cleft. The non-polar character of much of the cleft enhances the binding of substrate as well as catalysis. In non-polar microenvironment of the active site, certain of these polar residues acquire special properties essential for substrate binding or catalysis. Here is the mechanism between enzyme and substrate which leads to the formation of enzyme substrate complex. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.